Bonavita 8-cup coffee maker, 1-touch pour-over brewing with thermal Carafe, SCA certified. Style, stainless steel Carafe. Capacity 8 cubic inches, brand Bonavita. Color stainless steel, special feature automatic shut-off, thermal coffee maker type pour-over. About this item: 1-touch brew operation with auto-off Carafe lid, filter basket, and showerhead. Our dishwasher safe, powerful, and precise 1500-watt heater maintains optimal brewing temperature of 195 degrees-205 degrees F. Optional pre-infusion mode wets freshly roasted ground coffee to allow degassing before brewing. Flat bottom filter basket and larger showerhead allow for even better saturation and uniform extraction. Durable stainless steel line thermal Carafe. Double-walled stainless steel thermal Carafe. All plastic is HEPA-free. Length 12, 40, width 6, 80, height 12, 20.